Shows you that there's a game that you can play without installing or downloading directly from your browser. You just go to a link and then you can start moving a character through a world like this, and then you can start doing missions and completing missions, and it's quite a nice game and very relaxing. So all you do, you just go on your browser, either it's Chrome or Opera Mini, and then you just type in the link or messenger. Okay, so it will start to load, and then it's going to show that world there, and then you just do enter. So it might start playing a sound, some music, and then I'm just going to let it play for a few seconds, and I'll stop the music. So I just muted the music. So as soon as it loads like that, you can see the character use like the analog movement, right? So you can also interact with characters. Okay. So you get like missions from characters within the game. Not all characters, some of the characters are actually other human players, not NPCs, right? Oh, look at that guy just chilling there. I think I've seen you somewhere before. Oh, where did you see me, bro? So he's just chilling, straight up chilling there. Cool. You can get some missions, and then you can complete missions. It's so nice. I'd say this is a nice game, right? Yeah, this is a nice game. If you ever find yourself bored, just try it out. Let me know what you think. It's a really nice game. Oh, did you see that character there? I think it's another player. Should be another player. The one that was standing right there. I don't see her anymore. She was right there. She was just here a moment ago. You see, like this one. That's another player. You can't interact with them for now. Okay. There should be another player, I think. You can get missions from characters like this one. Just tap on the three dots. Okay. So you get like missions, and then you can see your missions on the top right there. Yeah. So certified. This one is certified. Certified Boredom Buster. Certified banger. This one is a certified banger, bro.